Here I am with the demo video for this gate calculator, and first of all I would like to give a display about this calculator. So you can see there are all the basic functionality been given in the calculator. You have here mod of x, x square, root x, 1 by x, which are generally used, ex, ln x, log x. Similarly, all these functions are very familiar to us. And here is degree and radian also given. What we actually do is we for doing any calculation, we first write the argument. Suppose if we want to find root 2, we first give the argument and then we give the root 2. So it is displayed over here what mathematical function you have given and what is the answer you have written over here. Okay, in this video basically I will be dealing with these 4-5 buttons. Okay, what are these buttons? Here we have MC, this with memory clear, MR means memory read, MS memory store, M plus add to the thing that is previously stored in the memory, M minus subtract from the thing that is previously stored in the memory. Okay, let's have a demo. First of all, let us clear memory by MC. Now let's store 100 in the memory. Suppose this is my answer, which I got this from previous calculation. So I would like to store this answer, so I will do memory store and then I will clear the display. And then what I will do, suppose I am calculating another calculations like this 96. Now I want to subtract this from 1 by x square. So what I will do, suppose x is 1.2. So what I will do, I give a minus sign here, then I will give a bracket, then I will do x1 by x square. So first of all I will get argument 1 by 2, then I will take a square 1. This is 1 by 1.2 square. Now I have to write 1 by x square, so I will do it inverse. So here it is given reciprocal means 1 by square of 1.2. Now I will close the bracket. This means this whole expression means 3528 minus 1 by 1.2 square. Okay, now I get this answer. Now suppose I want to divide it with my previous answer. I will do divide and I will read the memory. That is my answer, that was already 100, so I'll get the result as 3.35.27. okay, if I want to read this answer, I will do a memory store here. Okay, I do memory store here. Now suppose after some calculation I got this, I want to add this with my memory read. So this was the memory which I have been currently stored in here, so I can proceed like this way. Don't forget to clear the memory after one question is finished. So to clear the memory, you have a symbol being here, M is not displayed, that means memory is cleared. Now let me illustrate you why is this M plus and M minus is being given here. Now suppose sometime you have to find an average of suppose these all numbers. So what you do is simply store 0 in the memory. 0 is displayed here, plus MS means store memory with 0. Okay, now what you do, you want to add something to the memory. What you want to add? 1. M plus means 0 is added to 1, 2, M plus 3, M plus 4, M plus 5, M plus. Just remember, you have to press M plus only once. So when you are using with this memory M plus, be very careful while pressing of the button. Okay, so I have actually what I have done, I have added all the numbers. So let's count out. 2 plus 1 3, 3 3 6, 6 6 12, 12 5 17, 21, 28, 36, 45. Now let's check what is stored in the memory. Is 45. That's good. Now I want to find an average. I will simply divide this by how many numbers? 9 numbers. I'll get the 5. So this is how you can use memory plus. Now suppose I have something in the memory. Now I want to subtract from the memory. I subtracted 7, then I subtracted 8, then I subtracted 9, then I subtracted 4, then I subtracted 5, then I subtracted 6. Okay, now only 1 plus 2 plus 3 is stored in the memory, that is 6. So let us read memory. Read, it's 12. Why? Because you have subtracted only till here. Okay, now you subtract, suppose it is 12 in the memory. Now let's do it 0. Now you subtract 1 from there, now you subtract 2 from there, and you subtract 3 from there. You have subtracted everything. Now let's check the memory, that is 9. Okay, so you can now get the basic idea for how M plus and M minus is used. Okay, sometimes you always need to clear memory before using these two functionalities, M plus and M minus. Otherwise you will get unexpected results. Always try to, don't mess up with this. Don't try to use M plus and M minus simultaneously. Clear up the memory and then try to use M plus and M minus genuinely. Now suppose what happens, suppose 9 is there, you store in the memory. Okay, read memory, it is 9 stored in there. Okay, store 9, clear, read memory, it is 9. Okay, clear display. Now if I do, suppose I take 8, I want to add it to the memory. So what if I do plus 2 times, plus. So I have added 8 twice to the memory. 8 8 16 plus 9 25. Now let's clear, let's do memory, it's 25. Okay, now in the memory it is 25. Now suppose I want to subtract 10. I have done minus, I done minus. I have subtracted 10 two times from the memory. So 25 minus 20 is 5. Okay. Now I have subtracted, suppose let's clear 9, and I done minus 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 3 times. Now I have subtracted 3 times. So what is memory read? Let's take it's minus 22. Okay. So be very careful by using m plus and m minus, because once you press m plus, it's subtracted added 1 time. Once you press m minus, it's subtracted 1 times. Okay. Thank you.